Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Borsat English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS. Students, today we are going to learn revision of fill in the blanks and name the following. That is question number 1. So we will start it. First one is question 1A, fill in the blanks, and it will be come from chapter number 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 8th, 10th and 12th. So we will start. First one, we live on the planet called. Students, you have to write fill in the blanks by asking questions yourself about what and where or who. Okay, suppose here I am asking questions on which planet we are living. We live on the planet called Earth. Okay, so we will write Earth. Second number, blank are large ball of fire. Students, what are large ball of fire? Yes, stars. Stars are large ball of fire. So we will write stars are large ball of fire. Third number, blank helps the astronomer see distant heavenly bodies clearly. Which instrument helps to astronomer to see distantly object clearly? Yes, telescope. The telescope, Telescope. The telescope helps the astronomer see distant heavenly bodies clearly. Okay. Fourth one, Earth rotates once on its axis in blank hour. Students, in what time Earth complete one round on its axis? Yes, 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours. So Earth rotates once on its axis in 24 hours. Let's see again. We live on the planet called Earth. Second number, stars are large ball of fire. Stars are large ball of fire. Third one, the telescope helps the astronomer see distant heavenly body clearly. Fourth one, Earth rotates once on its axis in 24 hours. Earth rotates once on its axis in 24 hours. Five number, thick brown stem of a tree is called. What we can call it? The thick brown stem of a tree is called trunk. Yes, the thick brown stem of a tree is called trunk. What is the spelling of trunk? T-R-U-N-K, trunk. So let's write. Thick brown stem of a tree is called trunk. Sixth number, blank help plants to reproduce their own kinds. Students, which part of a plant help to reproduce their own kinds? Yes, seeds. Seeds help plant to reproduce their own kinds. Okay, seed helps plant to reproduce their own kinds. Here you have to write seed. Seventh number, blank are plants that need a support to stand. Students, which kind of plants need supports to stand? Yes, climber. Climber are plants that need a support to stand. What is the spelling of climber? Yes, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. Climbers are plants that need a support to stand. Eighth number, blank are plants that creep on the ground. Blank are plants that creep on the ground. Here climber will not come, but creeper will come. Creepers are plants that creep on the ground. Creep means to spread on ground. So creepers are plants that creep on the ground. We are ready. Okay, so creepers are plants that creep on the ground. Here climbers are plants that need a support to stand. Eighth one, creepers are plants that creep on the ground. Ninth number, water should be stored in blank clean container. Students, in which kind of container we should store water? Yes, water should be stored in covered clean container. Covered clean container. So water should be stored in, okay, water should be stored in covered clean container. 10th one, we have blank sense organs. Students, how many sense organs do we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. So we have 5 sense organs. Here you have to write 5. Okay, we have 5 sense organs. Let's revise all. Thick brown stem of a tree is called trunk. Seeds help plant to reproduce their own kinds. 7 number, climbers are plants that need a support to stand. 8 number, creepers are plants that creep on the ground. Water should be stored in covered clean container. And 10th one, we have 5 sense organs. Let's see others. 11 number, a house in which we live with our family is our, what we can call it? A house in which we live with our family is our home. Is our home. So let's write, a house in which we live with our family is our home. 12 number, people who cannot blink at all are blind. Students, we discussed in lesson, people who cannot see at all are called blind. To whom we can call blind? The people who cannot see at all are called blind. So let's write see. The people who cannot see at all are called blind. 13 number, change of water into water vapor on heating is called change of water into water vapor. Change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. It is called evaporation. Okay, so change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. 14 number, change of water vapor into water on cooling is called, here reverse is there, change of water vapor into water on cooling, here on heating and here it is on cooling. Change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. It is called condensation. So change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Next, 15 number, blank is main source of water on earth. What is the main source of water? Students, we learn rain is the main source of water. Rain is main source of water on the earth. 16 number, there are blank colors in a rainbow. There are blank colors in a rainbow. How many colors are there in rainbow? 7 colors. So let's write, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. 17 number, train, buses, cars, etc. are some means of blank transport. Here you can see bus can run on road, car can run on road. So those are land transport. Those are land transport. So train, buses, car, etc. are some means of land transport. 18 number, boat, ship, ferry, etc. are some means of blank transport. Boat can run on water, ship runs on water, ferry also runs on water. So we can say that boat, ship, ferry, etc. are some example of water transport. Water transport. 19 number, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. are some means of blank transport. Aeroplane, helicopter, etc. are some means of air transport. Aeroplane, helicopter, etc. are some means of air transport. And 20th number, blank dance in the rain. What can dance in the rain? Peacock. Peacock dance in the rain. Let's visualize all. A house in which we live with our family is our home. People who cannot see at all are blind. Change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Change of water vapor in water on cooling is called condensation. Rain is main source of water on the earth. 16 number, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. 17 number, train, bus, car, etc. are some means of land transport. Boat, ship, ferry, etc. are some means of water transport. Aeroplane, helicopter are some means of air transport. And peacock dance in a rain. First B, next question first B, name the following. And it will be come from chapter number 2, 3, 9 and 12. So let's start. First one, I reflect the light of the sun. Which heavenly bodies reflect the light of the sun? Planets. I reflect the light of the sun. Answer will be planets. I reflect the light of the sun. Planets. The hottest planets blank. The hottest planet, which is the hottest planet? Venus. Venus is hottest planet. So you have to write here Venus. Third number, the movement of planet on its axis. What we can call it? The movement of planet on its axis is called rotation. The movement of planet on its axis is called rotation. Fourth one, the plant which has many woody stems. The plant which has many woody stems. Which kind of plant has many woody stems? Tree. Tree has. The plant which has many woody stems is a tree. Fifth one, part of plant that makes food for the plant. Part of plants that makes food for the plant. Which part of a plant makes food for the plant? Leaf. Part of plants that make food for the plants. Answer will be leaf. Next, 6 number. I have long grown tail. I pick and eat all the mice. I am an blank. Who am I? Here you can see I have a long grown tail. I pick and eat all mice. I am an eagle. I am an eagle. So here you have to write. Answer will be eagle. I have long grown tail. I pick and eat all the mice. I am an eagle. Next, I am green in color. I have a red beak. I am a blank. So here you have to identify which bird is this. I am green in color. Which bird is green in color? Parrot. I have red beak. I am a parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Next, 8 number. I have a very sweet voice. Kuhu kuhu is my sound. I am a blank. Students, sweet in voice and kuhu kuhu is my sound. Which bird is this? Yes, it is cuckoo. It is cuckoo. I have a very sweet voice. Kuhu kuhu is my sound. I am a cuckoo. 9th number. I am black in color. I do cow cow all the day long. I am a blank. Which bird has black color and its sound is cow cow? Crow. It is a crow. So I am black in color. I do cow cow all the day long. I am a crow. I am a crow. 10th one. I have a needle like beak. I use it to stitch leaves. I am. Which bird has beak like a needle? It used for stitching leaves for making their nest. Which bird it is? Tailor bird. Which bird? Tailor bird. So let's revise all. I reflect the light of the sun, planets. The hottest planet is a Venus. The movement of planet on its axis rotation. The plant which has many woody stem, tree, part of plants that makes food for the planet. Fifth, parts of plant that makes food for the plant, leaf. I have a long grooved tail. I pick and eat all the mice. I am an eagle. I am green in color. I have a red beak. I am a parrot. 8. I have a very sweet voice. Kuhu kuhu is my sound. I am cuckoo. 9th number. I am black in color. I am cow cow all the day long. I am crow. 10th one. I have a needle like beak. I use it to stitch leaves. I am tailor bird. Let's see next. 11 number. I have grey feathers and pink beak. I do guturgu. I am a blank. Students, which bird is this? It has grey feathers and pink beak, and its sound is guturgu. Pigeon. Which bird is this? Pigeon. What is the spelling of pigeon? P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Okay. I have grey feathers and pink beak. I do guturgu. I am a pigeon. 12 number. The fastest means of transport. Which is the fastest means of transport? Students, aeroplane. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. The fastest means of transport, aeroplane. 13 number, a very big luxurious boat. A very big luxurious boat. It is called ship. Ship is a very big luxurious boat. So we will write ship. 14 number, a land vehicle that moves on rail. Which vehicles is run on rails? Yes, we learn. Train. Train can run on rails. So we can write train. A land vehicle that moves on rail is a train. A vehicle pulled by bullocks. A vehicle pulled by bullock is called bullock cart. A vehicle pulled by bullock is called bullock cart. Let's revise all. I have grey feathers and pink beak. I do guturgu. I am pigeon. The fastest means of transport, aeroplane. A very big luxurious boat. It is called ship. A land vehicle that moves on rail, train. And 15 number, a vehicle pulled by bullock. It is called bullock cart. Students, here we are ending our video revision part 4. I hope you will get correct answer, and I also have hope you will learn it very well and be ready for your exam. Thank you and have a nice day.